You open Claude, you start a new chat, and then you spend the next 5 minutes typing the same thing you typed yesterday. Who you are, what your business does, what tone you write in, what your audience needs, every single time. Here's the thing, that's not a Claude problem. That's a setup problem. And in the next 14 minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix it permanently. By the end of this video, Claude is going to know your business, your voice, your audience, and your workflows without you saying a single word. And I'm going to show you the exact feature that makes that happen. Let's get into it. Real quick, if you're new here, I'm Simone. I teach solopreneurs how to use artificial intelligence to build lean, efficient one-person businesses. Real tools, real workflows. Now, most people using Claude are doing it in a browser tab, and the browser version is fine. But the desktop app is a completely different experience. It's the difference between using artificial intelligence as a search engine and using it as a business partner that already knows you. Today, we're covering the Claude Desktop app from the ground up. The Chat tab, Projects, Memory, Skills, and Connectors. This is your foundation. Every workflow video I make from here assumes you have this set up properly. And if you're building a one-person business with artificial intelligence, subscribe right now. New workflow every single week, and I don't want you missing a single one. First things first, let's get the app on your machine. Head to the Claude Code Desktop Quick Start page. The full link is in the description below, so you don't have to memorize it. You'll find the download options for Mac and Windows right there on the page. Install it, sign into your Claude account, and you're in. The first thing you'll notice is the app has 3 main areas. Chat is where most of your daily work happens. Co-work is where Claude gets access to your actual local files and handles tasks for you. And Claude Code is the automation and development tab. We're going deep on all 3 in this series. Today, we're focused on chat. Let's lock in. The Chat tab is your starting point and your daily conversation hub. It's where most solopreneurs begin, and for many, it becomes their most used tab. But as you build out your workflows, Co-work and Claude Code are going to become just as important. We'll get to those in the next videos in this series. But first, let's make sure you know exactly what's inside Chat and how to use it properly. Because getting this right is what makes everything else work. Look at the left sidebar first. You'll see 4 things right at the top: New Chat, Projects, Artifacts, and Customize. Each one is doing something important for your business. We're walking through all of them today. But first, the chat window itself, the model selector and the plus button. Because these 2 things alone change how effective Claude is for you. The model selector is in the bottom right of the chat input. Click it and you'll see 3 models. Let me break these down because choosing the right one matters for your results and your token usage. Haiku 4.5. Fastest for quick answers. Use it for simple, fast tasks. A quick summary, a short reply, a basic question. It's the lightest on your plan. Sonnet 4.6. This is your everyday workhorse. Most efficient for everyday tasks. Scripts, research, emails, content planning, workflow building. If you're not sure which model to use Sonnet. It handles 90% of what solopreneurs need. Opus 4.7. Most capable for ambitious work, deep strategy, complex analysis, long documents. But here is the honest truth. Opus uses significantly more of your plan's token allocation. If you run Opus on everything, you will hit your limits fast. Save it for your most important and complex tasks. Now the plus button. Click it and a menu appears with everything you need to power up a conversation before you type your first word. Add files or photos. Your shortcut for uploading any file into the chat. PDFs, images, spreadsheets. Click here instead of dragging. Add to project. Assign this conversation to a specific project mid-chat without starting over. Add from GitHub. Pull directly from a GitHub repository into the conversation. Useful once you start building tools. Skills. Right here in the plus button, you can activate any skill before sending your message. Script format, research style, email voice, whatever skill fits the task, activate it here first. Connectors. Activate a connector mid-conversation. Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Slack, all right here. And the research section at the bottom. Web search is toggled on by default. That means Claude is actively searching the web for current information when it's relevant. And Use Style lets you apply a writing style to this specific conversation. Two more things in the Chat tab before we move on. The sidebar keeps every conversation saved and searchable. You can pin your most important chats right to the top, so they're always one click away. And on paid plans, Claude can search across your entire conversation history to pull context into new chats. And the ghost icon in the top right corner. Click it and you open an incognito chat. Not saved, not remembered, not ever pulled into Claude's memory. Use it for anything sensitive or private. Close it and it's gone. And the Artifacts tab in the sidebar is where Claude saves reusable outputs. Charts, diagrams, tools, code. Not buried in a chat. Organized and ready to reuse anytime. Now let me show you all of this working together with a real example. You're a solopreneur. You just got off a client call. You have messy notes. You want a clean follow-up email in your voice. Here is exactly what you do. New chat. Sonnet 4.6 selected. Good. Click the plus button. Go to Skills. Select your email skill. That loads your tone and format before you type a single word. Now type your prompt. Something like, here are my notes from a client call. Please turn these into a professional follow-up email. Paste your notes. Send. Claude reads your notes, applies your skill, and produces a follow-up email in your voice. Ready to copy, paste, and send. No re-explaining your tone. No cleaning up the format. Just done. That is what a properly set up Claude Desktop looks like in practice. Now there are two types of skills. Pre-built and custom. Pre-built skills are created by Anthropic and are available to install right now from the Customize section. Things like a general writing skill, a coding skill, a summarization skill. These are great starting points, especially if you're new to skills. Install one, test it, and see how much it changes your output immediately. But the real power, especially for solopreneurs building a brand, is custom skills. These are skills you build yourself for your specific workflows. Nobody else has them. They're yours. I typed one simple prompt into both. Write a short intro for a YouTube video about Claude Desktop. Let me show you the difference right now. No skill on the left. Keys to AI copywriter skill on the right. Look at the difference. The left output sounds like a generic AI wrote it. The right output sounds like Simone Keys wrote it, follows our exact script format, and is production ready. That's what a custom skill does for your business. You feel me? This is not a small difference. This is the difference between spending 20 minutes editing AI output and spending 0 minutes editing AI output. Memory. Claude generates memory from your conversations. It automatically summarizes your chats and builds a picture of who you are and how you work over time. Your role, your projects, your communication style, your technical preferences. Every new conversation starts with that context already loaded. Available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. Go to Settings, then Capabilities, and toggle on Generate Memory from Chat History. You can view everything Claude remembers, edit it, add to it, or reset it completely. You're always in control. Now connectors. This is how Claude plugs into the tools where your actual work lives. Google Drive, Notion, Slack, Gmail, Google Calendar, and more are all available right now. Find them in the Customize section. Connect Google Drive and Claude can pull documents mid-conversation. Connect Notion and Claude reads and writes to your workspace. Connect Gmail and Claude helps you draft, summarize, and organize your inbox. Set these up once. From that point on, Claude is not operating in isolation. It's connected to the real work happening in your business. All right, let's recap what you just set up. The Claude Desktop app downloaded and installed. The Chat tab inside and out. The sidebar with New Chat, Projects, Artifacts, and Customize. The model selector and when to use each one. The plus button and everything inside it. The Incognito feature for private work. Projects so Claude walks into every conversation already knowing your business. Skills so every recurring output follows your exact standards. Memory so Claude builds context about you over time. and connectors, so Claude lives inside the platforms where your actual work happens. Real talk. This takes about an hour to set up properly, but it changes every conversation you have with Claude from that day forward. It is the highest leverage hour you'll spend on your business this week. The next video in this series is Claude Cowork, where Claude gets access to your actual files and starts completing tasks for you while you step away. That one is coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'm Simone Keys. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Keys to AI. It genuinely helps me keep making content like this every single week, and I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you in the next one.